Welcome to our channel, where we believe in the transformative power of guided meditation to help you release the burdens of the past, find forgiveness, and attain inner peace and emotional healing. In this video, we present collection of powerful meditative affirmations, carefully designed to reprogram your subconscious mind, making the process of letting go and forgiving others a peaceful and effortless journey. By listening to these affirmations daily, you're tapping into the deep well of your own inner strength and resilience. Before we begin our journey, let's enter a meditative state. Close your eyes gently, taking a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose. Feel your lungs fill with the soothing energy of the present moment. Exhale slowly and intentionally through your mouth, releasing any tension or distractions that may be occupying your mind. Continue to breathe deeply, naturally, and rhythmically, allowing the breath to carry you into a state of calm and focus. Let your body relax, starting with your toes and moving upward, releasing any physical tightness or discomfort. Shift your attention to the now, to this moment in time, freeing yourself from past concerns or future anxieties. Let's begin this powerful healing journey. I release the past with love and compassion, finding peace in the present. Forgiveness flows effortlessly from my heart, freeing me from the chains of resentment. I let go of all grievances, creating space for peace and serenity to dwell. Forgiveness is my gift to myself, bringing me inner tranquility and emotional healing. I release the hold of the past, embracing the light of forgiveness and emotional freedom. My heart is a sanctuary of compassion, allowing forgiveness to flourish. I forgive others as I seek forgiveness for myself, creating a circle of healing. Forgiving is my path to inner peace, and it unfolds with grace and ease. I release all that negative emotions, making room for love and understanding. I choose to forgive, and in doing so, I choose freedom and emotional release. My heart is open to forgiveness, and I allow it to wash over me. I am a vessel of forgiveness, and I let it fill every corner of my being. Releasing the past is my key to peace, and I turn it effortlessly. Forgiveness is a healing balm that soothes my soul, bringing inner serenity. I forgive not because others deserve it, but because I deserve peace. The past is behind me, and I walk towards the light of forgiveness. I let go of all hurts and grudges, embracing a heart filled with love. Forgiveness is my choice, and it empowers me to find peace within. I release all pain and resentment, allowing my heart to heal. Forgiving others is a gift I give to myself, and it comes effortlessly. I am a reservoir of forgiveness, and it flows abundantly from my heart. The past no longer holds power over me, for I have found the strength to forgive. I forgive for my own peace and healing, and it is a gentle process. Forgiveness is my path to emotional liberation, and I walk it gracefully. I choose to release the past, for in forgiveness, I find serenity. I embrace forgiveness with an open heart, letting go of all that burdens me. I release all anger, pain, and hurt, and I open the door to inner peace. Forgiveness is a beacon of light guiding me towards emotional healing. I am a river of forgiveness, and it flows effortlessly, soothing my soul. The past is behind me, and I step into the peace of forgiveness. I am a vessel of forgiveness, and I allow it to flow through every part of me. I release all grievances, making space for love and compassion to grow. Forgiveness is my chosen path to inner peace, and it unfolds gently. I let go of all negative emotions, allowing the healing power of forgiveness to wash over me. I forgive not because others deserve it, but because I deserve emotional freedom. The past is behind me, and I choose the serenity of forgiveness. I release all pain and resentment, allowing my heart to heal and find peace. Forgiveness is my choice, and it empowers me to create a harmonious inner world. I am a sanctuary of forgiveness, and it dwells within me effortlessly. I forgive for my own peace, and it is a gentle and transformative process. I choose to release the past, for in forgiveness, I find strength and healing. I embrace forgiveness with an open heart, letting go of all that weighs me down. I release all anger, pain, and hurt, and I open the door to inner peace and emotional healing. Forgiveness is my beacon of light guiding me towards emotional serenity. I am a river of forgiveness, and it flows effortlessly, cleansing my spirit. The past is behind me, and I step into the peace of forgiveness with grace. I am a vessel of forgiveness, allowing it to flow through every aspect of my being. I release all grievances, making space for love, understanding, and emotional healing. Forgiveness is my chosen path to inner peace, and I embrace it with love. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey of healing and forgiveness. By listening to this guided meditation daily, you're awakening the incredible strength within you to let go of the past, forgive, and find inner peace and emotional healing. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, we can inspire and support each other on our path to inner serenity.